Hey, what's up, Stockalytics family? Thanks for tuning into episode 2. This episode, we're going to get straight into a topic that we really enjoy talking about. We're really enthusiastic about this topic. It's about Tesla. We're big supporters. We're big promoters of Tesla. We're going to talk about Q3 delivery numbers. We're going to talk about some of the reasons why Tesla is going to do well, some of the bull cases, and why you should own it. You should own this business. This is a business that has long-term growth. Don't trade this business in the stock market. You should own it and make sure that even if you can't afford to buy a whole stock, try to get a fraction stock. Hopefully we can get a stock split. That'll be really good for Tesla. It'll help out your everyday retail investor to be able to afford to, buy a stock, and psychologically they'll feel better about it. Apple just did a stock split, so it looks like other companies should follow suit, especially the ones that are very high price range. So I am expecting deliveries of 160,000 deliveries for Q3. I'm thinking I'll bring it down to 150. One of the Twitter followers I follow is Troy Tesla. He is really good and really accurate. If he tells you right here how accurate he's been. Q2 of 2020, this just passed, he was 98% accurate. Q1 of 2020, 94%. Q4 2019, 96. So you can see how accurate he is. I believe Troy has I think he was under 130, I believe, right? Let's see. Well, did he make a... Well, he thinks Tesla's delivery will be over 500,000 at the end of the year. I am... oh, there you go. So, hi everybody. My Tesla delivery estimate for Q3 is 142,000 units. And also 500,000 this year. It looks 95% likely at this point. So I think that I had it at 160. I might bring it down to 150. Reasons why, just overall economy, the macro level, even though the people that are buying those cars have the funds to buy it, it's just overall economy can impact everybody. So even like for instance, this extended federal unemployment booster of $600 weekly, that has been that has not been continued by Congress. They haven't been able to come up with a deal yet to continue that federal unemployment boost. So that kind of hurts the overall economy. People are shopping less, people are going out less, people are struggling to pay rent and mortgages. So Congress and POTUS needs to get something done. But I think Elon Musk tweeted out that demand for the Tesla cars are strong. A lot of you guys missed, a lot of folks missed the Model 3 boat. What I call the Model 3 boat is right before they were making it, ramping it up, nobody believed they could do it. But when they did do it, that stock went from like 200 to over to 1,000. And this next boat is the Model Y. I think people should get on this Model Y boat because this was probably going to be one of the best cars ever made. It's a growing section of segment in the auto industry. The crossover segment is something that's in demand for the new driver, for the new family drivers. I talked about this in my podcast on and on Spotify. People want to go camping and do outdoor stuff, especially with COVID around. You can't travel as much. You can't fly as much. So people want to have a vehicle that is multi-purpose. You want something stylish, something with technology, and something with multi use cases. So the Model Y fits that. I have a lot of friends in my circle that are gonna buy the Model Y and purchase the Model Y. They really like, the charging network. They really like the extra battery power charge, extra battery length. They like that it's almost like an SUV. It's a crossover. So that's a big deal. I think that the Model Y is going to be a catalyst for the stock price to go up. I would recommend investing, but again, a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. See if it makes sense for you and your methodology of investing. We try to promote, owning businesses and not trading businesses, which means investing long term. Sit on these good companies like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, Square, PayPal, Facebook. You sit on them. You don't trade them. So another there's this ETF called Ark Invest, and they are like one of the best ETFs in the market. And what they do is they fundamentally invest in 5 different technologies. You can take a look at them in robotics, genome, and next gen internet, fintech. So they have Tesla as one of their highest, I think is their highest holdings, and they've been pretty much right on the mark. They have a very bullish price target by 2024. Their bull case is 22,000. Their base case is, I think, 14 or 7,000, something like that, and their bear case is 1,500. So let's see which one is it. I think, let's check out this one. I think this is the one with the holdings of Tesla. I would recommend everybody take a look at this ticker ARKK. Yes, they have Tesla at 9%. They have companies we like: Tesla, Square, Roku, Illumina, Zillow. So that's one of them. Let's see if they have another one that we like. I think they have it in 3 of them. So yeah, Ark Invest, headed by Kathy Woods. Follow her on Twitter. Follow Tasha Keedy as well. They do a great job of explaining why Tesla is even higher here, 9.86. So they have companies we like as well as here, Alphabet, Tesla. So yeah, this is their highest holdings. I would take a look into it. It's one of the best ETFs out there. Check it out. This might be something you want to. They are doing amazing in the market. I think they have a 50% plus return on each of their ETFs. So yeah, going back to Troy, he's thinking 142,000 deliveries. I'm thinking 160, or I might go to 150. Another big reason why is Tesla China. Tesla China is a big deal, right? They are pretty much. Tesla China saved and helped Tesla deliver the numbers they did. I think 92,000 or something like that last quarter. They're ramping up. Tesla Model 3s are selling like crazy over there. It's a great story over there. People love the brand in China. So that's a great another catalyst. I mean, that is a catalyst. Is the growth in China and the Shanghai factory. Um, in talking about gigafactories, you have gigafactory in Texas coming up. There gigafactory in Berlin. So these are other catalysts. That's why I see the Tesla stock doing really well. They're also coming out with a semi, right? And this is going to be a game changer, especially that, you know, a lot of cities want to take away the diesel gas. It's creating a lot of pollution because these trucks are running day and night, 24 hours and multiple shifts. So Tesla coming out with the electrical semi is a big deal. Right now they're just using it to deliver their own cars. I've seen it on the road. I live in Bay Area, so I see it around. It's pretty cool, looks pretty awesome. For logistical purposes, a lot of companies might want to do this, you know, routes from like San Francisco to LA, LA to Vegas, Vegas to Arizona, Arizona to Texas. You know, you have so many different routes and so much goods are being moved around the country in terms of food and clothing and just so many different types of goods, commodities and stuff like that. This is going to be a big game changer. This is going to be more affordable. It's going to be more reliable. It's going to be it's going to help the environment as well. So this is another catalyst. And going back to Ark Invest, I think another catalyst that we do want to talk about is the AI autonomous piece. The autonomous piece is going to be important. The reason I say the autonomous piece is going to be important is because I think Kathy Woods and Tasha, they explained that Tesla might launch a robo-taxi service this by end of this year, and I'm expecting that too. And they might not do it with just it being autonomous. They might have it with the driver first, but they will be pretty much launching a robo-taxi service to compete with the likes of Uber and Lyft, and they'll be able to basically run the business at a lower cost versus Uber and Lyft. And if that's the case, this will take the business to a different level. So remember, Tesla is also an auto company, a technology company, an energy company, and now they're going to be a ride-hailing company. So this is a big deal. If this happens by end of this year, it'll be great. The Million Mile Battery Day is coming up. He announced it, I think it's September 22nd. That's going to be a big day. They're going to showcase the new technology in the battery day. Hopefully they also talk about the stock split. You know, here in Stockalytics, we try to make a movement regarding investing long term. And a lot of people can't afford even with fractional stocks. A lot of people can't afford these expensive stocks like Tesla, Amazon, and Google. And look what Apple did. Apple, they did a stock split. They're doing a stock split 4-to-1, and now those stocks are going to be around $100. And it doesn't make the valuation any bigger. It just gives it a psyche for the investors to say, hey, okay, I'm getting a full share. And if you see the results of a company like Apple, they've done it about 4 or 5 times, and they have gone up pretty much all the times they've done the split. So yeah, we would recommend that Tesla do a stock split. It will let more retail investors like me and other folks invest more in Tesla, and that'll be great. That'll be something that people will be looking forward to invest. Maybe right now it's at what, 1,500, around 1,490. Maybe we do a 10 split. If it's 1,500, $150 per Tesla share. Yeah, that'd be great. That'd be awesome. I just want to close the episode by saying we will be going with 150,000 for the deliveries for Q3 2020. Thanks a lot, guys. Tune in for the next episode. Check you guys out later. Peace.